Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping. And thank you guys for watching. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it, guys. Let's see what's inside this box. And like I said, you guys will get one too at a low cost. And they'll ship this out to you in no time. And we got number, what do we have there, Johnny? Oh baby, here we go. Simple but unique. Case for smartphone, TORRAS. Ooh, I think this is for the new, whatever this phone's called, the Note Ultra 20. So many different names. Let's take a look at this thing. Ooh, baby. Here we go. Rock and roll. So we got here, oh, clear case. Got the kickstand. Got the wide body. See, I put this one on the other video. It's a pain to take off, but give me a second. I'll be back. Alright guys, we got it off the case. We got the rose gold. It's like a backup line, so here we go. We got this. Should be easy popping. Oh yeah. Easy peasy. Now this is a lot nicer. Way nicer than the other. Well, kickstand. That's a nice kickstand also. It won't break. It ain't plastic, so see? Now you are fully protected. This is a nice one, guys. Cool. Alright guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night. See you soon.